What's up, Harmony holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now in this video we're gonna show you the harmony. What's the next target of harmony? As you know, the harmony falls down very badly. So after that I decide to get a research about a harmony coin. That I'm gonna Google, Twitter, and collect the knowledge about harmony coin, why they falls down, and what's the next target of harmony coin. After that I have a decision, friends. So before starting this interesting video, before sharing this decision with all of you, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now friends, first of all I will show you the price prediction chart of the harmony coin. After that we look the what's the next target of harmony coin, and what's the next target of harmony, what's change goes in a harmony coin, friends. The last one day price prediction change goes in a harmony coin. As you can see here, the change occur very badly, negative 4.11%. falls down occur in a harmony coin, in the high price of the harmony as about $0.1528 USD dollar is the high price of harmony coin, friends. Now friends, if we look the price prediction chart of the harmony coin, so as you can see here, they go in a straight line. As you can see here, that is the vertex of the harmony coin, that is the border line of the harmony coin, friends. Now at this time the period of change next, what's going in a harmony coin, or they move upward or they falls down. There is a two-way for a harmony coin at this point. As you can see here, the one way as to upward and the second way as to downward. So we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately a lot of chances no, there is a going up. Let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what's going in this time in the harmony coin. That we, as you can see here, friends, now they decide to that goes upward. As you can see here, they goes upward. As you can see here, the change occur in a harmony coin at this time is a positive, friends. So the big explosion, the big jump of the harmony coin starts now from this point. As you can see here, the change occur in a harmony coin, and the last 1 hour is about positive 1.75%. that's mean that the harmony coin start jumping up at this time, friends. And the high price of the harmony coin is about $0.145 USD dollar is the high price of harmony coin. So there, as a next jump a harmony coin occurs in a harmony coin, be ready for a big jump. If you agree with me, so please like this video. There is a jumping occurs in a harmony coin, so please like this video. And if you know that there is no jumping occurs in a harmony coin, so please tell me the reason behind that, why harmony coin there is no false jump occurs. Please tell me the reason in the comment box. What's your opinion about harmony coin? Please share in the comment box, and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about harmony coin.